Hi, my name is Shelly Myers. I'm here in Houston, Texas with Craftstrom, a company that is set out to make solar available to everyone, homeowners as well as renters. Let me show you how it works. This setup consists of two 320-watt panels. They are extremely lightweight and semi-flexible using American SunPower cells. Each panel has its own smart inverter that reports to our app. The inverters are daisy-chained and result in a standard plug that allows you to feed into any standard outlet. Our safety gate adapter assures you can safely backfeed into your house wiring. Now, look at this unique home battery we have designed from the ground up. It consists of the base, the battery itself, and the add-on with sockets and a wireless charger. The base allows you to charge from the panels using existing house wiring. Just like all the appliances, it will receive power from the panels during the day, but in the evening, it will also reverse feed into any outlet to power your appliances. We also developed our own power meter that clamps onto your two main lines in the breaker box. It also is Wi-Fi enabled, and you guessed it, it reports to the app. Our system knows how much power the house needs at all times and assures the panels cover only that amount. We store the extra energy in the battery or throttle the inverters. We never backfeed to the utilities. The system is modular, so you can combine as many panels and batteries as you want. You can also take the battery out of its base and take it anywhere you need power. Camping, working outside, or powering your appliances directly when the power goes out at home. It's never been easier.